it is Black Friday in July. Amazon Prime Day is here, and we are seeing a little movement to the upside in the stock. But how important is today, really? We've got our very own Allie Garfinkel with us live from an Amazon warehouse. Who gave you a key card and let you in, Allie, is the first question. But also, given recent layoffs and the stock's underperformance, are investors watching this Prime Day closely?
I think it's a complicated question, Brad. And yes, I am in a warehouse. It is 6 a.m. It is buzzing. I actually had to wait 10 minutes to get a parking spot here because they had to move a bunch of trucks around. So there is a lot going on. This same-day delivery facility is actually going to move 60,000 packages both today and tomorrow. But you ask a question, does Prime Day really matter anymore? And let's think about this in the context of record breaking. Last year's Prime Day broke records, raking in $12 billion. And relatively speaking, even though we see some movement to the upside, generally Amazon stock has underperformed. That said, one thing analysts I've spoken to have said is that AWS growth is slowing, and that does put more pressure on the e-commerce business. So does Prime Day still matter? Is it what it used to be? Perhaps not, but it definitely needs to do well. And that certainly is what the efforts they're putting in here behind me today.
Yeah, and we have also been watching that the stock doesn't necessarily do well during prime time. On the other hand, Allie, people want the information that everyone's looking for, right? The biggest Prime Day deals. And so what are some of the things people should be looking for?
So, Julie, I don't think I scream product recommendations, but I'm going to do my best. One of the things that we're seeing is that, a lot of these deals are tied to big stories that we follow here at Yahoo Finance. For instance, Roombas are going to be on sale for 50% off. Roomba, of course, if you remember, is owned by iRobot, which Amazon is in the process of attempting to acquire for $1.7 billion. We've also seen some big names like Sony and Peloton in the mix. And, of course, the moment you've all been waiting for. There are Barbie deals. Yes, there are Barbie deals. For those of you for anyone who's been living under a rock, the Barbie movie is coming out this summer, and that has massively affected Mattel stock, and it's made its way to Prime Day, Brad and Julie.
Yeah, I've already got my brunch and Barbie plans for a couple weeks from now, Allie, so certainly looking forward to that. I also saw a Lego set over there I'm quite excited about, but I guess I'll have to borrow Julie's login for Amazon Prime since I don't purchase on there frequently or ever. But we're going to see how these deals net out.
I'll bring you some Legos, Brad.
Yeah, please do. And if you can smuggle a Peloton bike out of there, I'll give that a shot too. Allie Garfinkel, thanks so much for joining us live from the facility.